Hey guys, with the holidays coming up, you're going to be asking for gift ideas, we know it. And whether they're a golfer or into video games, it doesn't matter, because what they really need is one of these, a dash cam that keeps an eye on their car while they're away doing what they do. So let's check out some of the best product selections at under $150. If safety is a priority, you're going to need the 322GW from Nextbase. This one has built-in emergency SOS response that automatically connects to the nearest ambulance service in the event of an accident. It is a front-only camera, but because of its modular design, you can easily add optional camera modules, including rear view, rear window, and cabin view, great for keeping an eye on kids and Uber and Lyft passengers. Now, in terms of parking surveillance, this dash cam automatically switches to parking mode and goes to sleep once you've turned off your ignition. When a dash cam detects a bump or a hit to your car, it's going to turn on and start recording to give you a 30-second video of events following that. So while you won't be able to see how fast the other car was coming at your car, you will get footage of it getting away. It's a 2K QHD dash cam that captures clean, vibrant colors and rich details. The A129 Plus comes with a screen display that also lets you use the free VIOFO mobile app viewer on your smartphone. There is parking surveillance. The camera doesn't wake up until it detects an impact. The A129 Plus comes in 3 different versions: a front-only A129 Plus, front and rear A129 Plus Dual, and the front and interior A129 Plus Dual IR. Now say you want to capture a few seconds before the impact, you're going to need a dash cam that offers buffered recording like the VIOFO A119 V3. In the event of an impact, it will automatically save the 15 seconds before the impact and 30 seconds upon impact to give you a comprehensive look at what happened. The A119 V3 is a 2K QHD dash cam, one channel only, with many resolutions to choose from, including 2560 by 1080p resolution. It doesn't come with built-in Wi-Fi, and you're not going to be able to pair it with a mobile app viewer. So it's good news for those who prefer to use the built-in screen or plug the microSD card directly into your computer. This dash cam offers several parking surveillance options, including impact recording with motion detection for buffered recording. Time-lapse mode records continuously at 2 frames per second, and Thinkware's energy saving mode, which reduces power consumption by half, giving you 2 times longer video recording than normal parking mode. It does come with super night vision technology, and is built to deliver great video quality in all light situations, including those dark alleyways and underground parkades. GPS is not built into the camera, so you're going to need the external GPS module. It also unlocks Thinkware's suite of road safety features, so audible alerts like lane departure warning, front collision warning, speed cameras, and more. The Thinkware F200PRO comes in the front-only 1-channel version and front and rear 2-channel versions as well. If 2 times longer video recording than normal parking mode is not enough, then how does 38 days sound? With FineVu's power-saving parking mode technology, all the features on the GX33 goes into sleep mode, everything except impact sensors. The dash cam will start upon impact, but otherwise remain asleep, lasting up to 38 days in standby mode. The GX33 is a Full HD dash cam. You can use time-lapse mode during continuous driving recording as well. The smart time-lapse feature automatically reduces the recording frame rate to 10 frames per second, and then it switches back to 30 frames per second when an event is detected, so you get a properly captured video of the incident. There are a lot of reasonably priced accessories that won't break the bank, but will totally elevate the gift, like CPL filters. That's going to help ensure the quality of the footage by minimizing lens flare, light reflections, and windshield glare. For under $20, you can add a VIOFO CPL filter for the A129 Plus or the A119 V3, or the Thinkware CPL filter for the F200PRO and the FineVu GX33. Now, if they're handy enough to do a DIY hardwire installation, they can definitely appreciate the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit, which comes with all the tools they need to get the job done. But if they prefer something simpler, we strongly recommend the OBD2 power cable. It's a foolproof plug-and-play power option they never knew they had. For a mere $50, it saves a lot of headache and time, and they're gonna love you for it. The iRoad OBD2 power cable works great with the Thinkware F200PRO and the FineVu GX33. If you're feeling a little bit extra generous, how about an upgraded micro SD card? So instead of the standard 32 gig, get them the 128. In the end though, you're not just buying another stylish car gadget, you're buying a solution to a problem we all face: mystery scratches and dents. So can you really put a price on that? Well, yes you can. And because you watch our video, we also have a discount code just for you. Check out now with BBMCTube to get 5% off your purchase. Now thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our other gift guides.